lovelies, it is time for another Moonbox unboxing. I enjoy doing these so much. Every time I get to unbox one, it makes me so happy. So we're just gonna dive in and see what's in here. So this should be the November box, I guess. Ooh. And ooh, this is what we got. Ooh, what's on top? What have we got? Ah, okay. Okay, I see. Ah, alright. Gosh, same here, hurts my back. Okay, so I'm gonna take this little guy and set it aside until the end. Oh, so right on the top here we have this very pretty, right on top we have this very pretty, what I assume is a sigil of some sort, which I've actually gotten very interested in recently. I only started looking into exactly what they are quite recently, and I do find it super interesting, especially because it's not the only, I don't know, thing that I've seen using that kind of thinking, because there's like this documentary or something, I don't know, my friend told me to watch it, it's like, it's called The Secret, or the book was called The Secret, and there's a documentary, I don't know, but it's all about sort of, you know, thinking what you want. Basically, it applies a lot of the same sort of thought behind sigils to it, so I found it really strange that two very different places have the same ideas of, you know what I mean, I don't know how to describe what I'm trying to say, but you get the idea. So yeah, I've become very interested in them, and this one is absolutely beautiful. Well, you see, it won't be what I think it is now, it'll be something completely different. But that's what it looks like anyway, so yeah, very cool. So we have this lovely piece of artwork that seems to be different tarot cards, and it has past, present, future. And I don't know if all these are different or they're all the same, but for me, past is the Eight of Swords, present is the Moon, and future is the Star. And there's a little bit of information about each of those. So yeah, I don't know if everyone got the same one of these or if they're all different, but yeah, really pretty. Ooh. So, oh, this box is all like black and pretty. But first off, we have this lovely little raven card here, which I am very much fond of. On the back it says, "You have chosen to seek the protection of the highest power under whose wings you will find refuge." And that is what it looks like. This is very nice, I like this. Let me just sort of show you what I'm looking at here. It's all very dark and mysterious. Okay, so our herbs are white willow bark. Ooh, does it have a smell? Oh, it does actually, and it's quite nice. This is, oh goodness gracious, something root. I'm not sure, we'll find out at the end when I read the thing, if you want to have a little, it's just, it's the swirly writing tends to throw me off. There you go. Like, first glance I'd be like Galangal Root or something, but I have no idea if that's right. Mmm, that is a very interesting smell. Almost kind of spicy, but not, I don't know. Oh god, these sleeves are not good for this. It keeps like dipping in the box, and I believe this says wild cherry bark. Again, I will have a sniff. A little bit of a smell to that. Okay, so right on top we have a little satin pouch of some description. And inside that pouch we have, oh, I assume this is some sort of crystals. It's very like sharp and pointy looking. Here we go, let me see how well I can, I don't want to drop them, but yeah, you can see they're very like sharp and dangerous looking. Let me see if I can just sort of hold up one. So that is interesting, I wonder what these are. Next up we have our salt. Pythia? I'm not sure. I like the artwork on this, it's very pretty. Mmm. That's really gorgeous. The smell of this reminds me of something, but I don't know what. But it's like a really lovely, like soft, like not sweet, but sort of sweet floral smell. It's very, very nice. Okay, so right on top there's some sort of spray by the looks of it. Ooh. I got a spray in one of the moon boxes before. It was maybe like my second one or something, and it smelled amazing, so I'm kind of hyped for this. There is no text on this, just an eye of some sort. Oh, it's citrusy. I wonder what this is. Very nice. Plus the bottle is beautiful. Next up, it looks like our oil for this month. I need to I'm gonna go through all of the different like these guys that we get in the boxes and find like each one for the oil, and I'm gonna like cut that little part out. I'm probably gonna make a book. I'm gonna like set up a book and I'm gonna cut out like each sort of section for each thing, if you know what I mean. and arrange it by that. So I'll have like a section in the book for oils, and I can go and I can see which oil that I have is supposed to be for what, if you get what I mean. And the same for like the herbs and stuff. So like a herb section, an oil section, a salt section, just so I know what everything is. Because right now I'm just having to like dig through my drawer for all those papers and be like, which one is it? So it'll be good to have everything a little more organized, I think. So that'll be a project for me at some point. Oh, this oil is called taro, like the cards, and there's some very pretty looking things floating around in there. Looks to be some sort of petals, some herbs, maybe a little bit of crystal there, am I seeing? Oh, I really, really love this. I don't know if there's cinnamon or something in it, but there's definitely like a spicy quality to it. Oh, I really, 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 really like this one. Next up we have quite a large box of some sort and a cute little, I wonder if this is going to be, oh, I think it is! Tarot cards! The Hermetic Tarot, based upon the esoteric workings of the Secret Order of the Golden Dawn. This is the front, and this is the back. I had wondered if we were going to get anything like this in a box. Nice. Oh, we have our spell candle, and it's a fair bit chunkier than usual, I think. And this spell is Prophecy. I thought I could see purple glitter on the outside of the box. They must have been using it a lot in studio space. Oh, that was everything, I think. Yes? Okay, yeah, that was everything. Lovely! Okay, let's see what we've got. Okay, so this is the divination box. We are fascinated with breaking the barriers between our spirits and the divine guides. We make divination a daily ritual to receive answers and guidance through the use of the most ancient tools available to us. Okay, and there's some more information on that. Items in this box are the Hermetic Tarot deck. Godfrey Dawson's subtle black and white designs emphasize the Golden Dawn's astrological attributes with further Sephirotic, angelic, geomantic, numerical, and Kabbalistic elements. All 78 cards feature an exquisite level of detail and highlights the powerful symbolism. The 70-page instruction booklet includes an introduction by Stuart R. Kaplan and card meanings written by Godfrey Dawson and Stuart R. Kaplan. The booklet also gives instructions for the classic 10-card Celtic cross layout and presents a chart of elemental and astrological symbols and a diagram of 10 spheres and 22 Hebrew letters of the 22 paths of the Tree of Life. Okay, there's a whole lot of information on the tarot deck, so that's really interesting. I'll have to read through that because it's something I've always been wondered about. It's something in that realm. Okay, purple tarot satin pouch. Yes, we got that with those, and the color purple is a very powerful active color that can assist in developing your psychic abilities and intuition. Large prophecy spell candle. Yes, this candle is being enchanted with clove, sweet orange, cherry, and almond oils, and a special blend of our divination magical oil from our personal cabinet of Witchery. I would love to see the homes of the people who run this box. I just have a feeling that their houses must be absolutely wonderful. Eye Opener Aura Spray, that's what it is. Aura Spray has been created with Palo Santo, ginger, sweet orange, and an eye opener magical oil from our personal cabinet of Witchery. We've also included an amethyst crystal into this spray to enhance its energies. Use this spray before your readings to open your internal eye so that you may receive the messages that are meant for you. So I think that's to use while using the tarot cards. Cool. Ritual Rope Incense. Did I get that? I didn't see that. Oh, gosh, I lost it in the noodlies. Okay. See, this is why it's good to read this. So, here we go. Ritual Rope Incense. I've never heard of this in my life. Oh, it's nice though. Ritual Rope Incense is made by monks living in monasteries and is prepared in the tradition of monastic orders of Tibet. These monks craft the incense by hand in a process that involves bundling the ingredients into special hand-prepared rice paper and rolling and twisting into a small rope-like braided form. Wow! Wonder if there's a special way to use this. Oh, rope incense should be burned in a metal dish or on an ash bed. Burn a piece of your rope incense during your reading ritual or to prepare for meditation and deep contemplation. Okay, tarot magical oil. Created for you to anoint your tarot or self before conducting a reading. Prepared with sandalwood clove. That's what I'm smelling. Oh, I love clove. Sandalwood, clove, cherry, and almond oils. Each oil has been enchanted with a jasmine bud, wild cherry bark, and a blue lotus petal. Each oil has been infused with a Lemurian mini quartz point believed to teach oneness. Oh, the salt is Pythia. Pythia sacred salt. Pythia was the high priestess of the temple of Apollo at Delphi, who served as the oracle. Enchanted your secret salt with lotus and divination oil, as well as included the petals from the blue lotus flower. White willow bark, used in love potions and used in love potions and spell work. It's also a powerful herb from moon magic, used for healing, divination, and protection. Place white willow bark around your sacred space to guard against evil. If you wish to conjure spirits, mix crushed willow bark with sandalwood and burn it at the waning moon outside. I wasn't too far off. Galangal Root. Warn Galangal aids in psychic development and guards the bearer's health. Place Galangal in a pouch and keep it with you as you perform readings and divination. Wild cherry bark. Has long been used for love and divination magic. This is a powerful magical bark to incorporate into love talismans, charms, and mojo bags. Divination sigil, yes, that's what it was. Crafted this sigil specifically for your divination rituals and readings. Incorporated are the symbols related to Mercury or to us, the messenger. Place this sigil on your altar as you conduct readings and open the energies of communication and intuition. Black kyanite, I believe. Very powerful stone, that's the crystal. Very powerful stone that has been used to help during meditation and divination. Like a bridge, this crystal has an extraordinary crystal of connection, enhancing psychic abilities and transmitted healing energies. Okay. Personalized oracle reading. We have meditated and selected a card from the Raven Cards Oracle by Gabby Bucker to place inside your box. This card and the saying that it holds was meant for you. Take the time to reflect on the wisdom that it holds and let it resonate with you and speak to the pressing realities in your world. Parchment paper, yep. And then the tarot spread artwork, let me see. Created exclusively for the Moon Box, and the artwork was by Adrian Alden. Okay, lovely, so that's everything. So as always, this was a great experience, absolutely wonderful things in the box, and I very, very much enjoyed it. I have like a drawer full of all this stuff and it's getting mighty full. I'm gonna have to like find a new storage system soon, I think. But yeah, I always enjoy doing these. This time is no exception, and I'm a happy bee. So remember to check down the description box for all the useful information. Also remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Check out my Patreon because that is super important and helpful to this channel. And I think that's everything. I'll see you in the next video, lovelies. Bye!